How to delete row in Excel. Deleting rows in Excel is just as easy as inserting them. So in today's video, we are going to provide you with a clear breakdown for that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can just go over and start the process. We can start over and type in Excel. And once we go over to the Excel, what we can do is we can head over and select the row that we want to delete. We can look out for it by number. You can right click on the row number, for example, 9 number, and you can right click on it and basically select the option of delete from here, this option right here, and the selected row will disappear and the rows will be shifted up. This is one of the way possible. And apart from that, what we can do is we can use the ribbon option. So for that, what we can do is we can just go over and click on the row number to select up the row. And once you do so, you can go to the home tab at the top. And from here, go to the cell tab here and look out for this option called delete and confirm it up. And you can choose to delete the sheet rows and confirm it up. And you can just go over and follow that process, and that is also possible. If you want to delete multiple, you can select multiple like this and select the option of delete here, and all selected rows will be deleted at once. If you only select a few cells instead of the whole row, the Excel will only delete cells and the rest will shift up or left. You may follow that process for that and you should be able to delete up rows. These are probably some of the methods available if you want to delete rows on Excel. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.